Hey guys, JT here with another video of the Force RC Outbreak. This is of course the brushless version. I went ahead and I mentioned before that I put the Arrma BLX system in here, and I'm still running on 2S. I probably won't run it on 3S because it's fine on 2S as it is. But I'm out here at the park and I want to show you guys how this thing performs off-road. So you guys see this thing is going pretty good. Got a quadcopter out here too, so I'll probably end up changing the tires on here, because you do see that when I accelerate, it doesn't grip as good as I want it to. But still, all in all, it's performing well. Look at this thing run. I think with some good tires on here and some minor adjustments, I think this thing's going to be a decent performing truck. Except for that flip right there. Y'all didn't see that. See how these tires are kind of making this thing spin out some? Yeah, I don't think these tires are really designed for this type of speed and power. If it was brushed, it'd probably be fine, but brushless. So look at that. Got that, huh? I'm thinking I may, for tires, go to Horizon Hobby. Told you guys about those speed treads and stuff. I got a set for my Granite 4x4, and I'm thinking about getting that Vulture set. Since they do have a 12mm adapter for it, so I'm thinking about getting a set of those. They're like $24.99, which isn't bad for these. But then I may look at some of the Duratrack tires as well, because they make some good tires too. I don't want to get anything that's going to be too big for this, but I do want to get something that's going to give me a little bit more traction than these. I mean, these are fine, but hopefully that sun ain't blinding y'all too much. Yeah, I'm liking the way this is running, y'all. For a 10 scale truck. Now remember, this BLX system, this is a 3800 kV and it is 4-pole. So the brushless Bowie from Nitro RCX isn't going to go as fast. I think it's a 3250 kV, and I'm not even sure that it's 4-pole. So see, that's spinning out like a 2-wheel drive car there, and it shouldn't be doing that. And it's because of the tires. There you guys go, a quick run of this. I'll probably take this over to the skate park. I want to test some more of the durability of this as well. I know I did a final thoughts video and the truck has held up Well, and parts are actually going to be pretty cheap. And I did see that Horizon Hobbies now has a lot of these in stock now. So if you guys get these, you can find parts there. Of course, you can find them on Nitro RCX, and some of them are compatible with some of the ECX cars too. So you guys stay tuned for more videos. If I do a 3S run, it'll be more of a speed run with that. So I'll probably do that just to see how fast we can get up from 2S and 3S, just so you guys kind of have that for your record. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not subscribed, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.